In this video, I want to show you every function that your Philips soundbar remote control has. I'll go through all the buttons so you know how to use it. So first of all, let's start with the easiest. Over here we have the power button. Every time you press this button while pointing to your Philips soundbar, you're gonna turn it on and off. Then we have over here the mute button. Once you press on it, every sound that is coming out of the speakers of your soundbar will mute themselves. You're gonna have this red flashing light, and if you press again, it will unmute. But obviously you need to point the remote towards the soundbar for this to work. Then we have the plus and minus. This is for the volume, okay? Volume up, volume down. Then we have the skip, back, and play pause button. These three buttons are only available when you're using the soundbar connected to a Bluetooth device. So if, let's say, you're reading, the soundbar is reading music from your iPhone or Android smartphone, you'll be able to stop or play and go to the next song or to the last song using these three buttons. Then we have BT. This is for Bluetooth. If you press on it once, it will go in Bluetooth mode. If there's no device currently paired with your soundbar, it will blink blue. This means that it's in pairing mode. So take your iPhone again or any other device and you should see it. You should see the soundbar on your device and you'll be able to connect. Once a device is connected to the soundbar, this light will not blink blue, it will stay solid blue. If you keep press this Bluetooth button during 5 seconds, you will also disconnect any devices currently connected to the soundbar. Then we have HDMI ARC. If you have connected your TV using an HDMI cable, you need to press this button. It will switch to purple and you'll be able to listen to whatever is playing on your TV. If you have connected your TV using the optical cable, then press optical. It will switch to yellow and just like that, the sound will come out. We also have auxiliary mode, AUX. If you press this, it will switch to green. Auxiliary is this port right over here, the 3.5mm audio cable, in case you're using it to connect your TV or other devices. And finally, we have the EQ mode right in the middle. Now, let me show you how this EQ is functioning. So we have three different modes. If you press EQ once, you're gonna get the green flashing light. Green flashing means that it's in movie mode. The audio will be adapted, will be enhanced for movies. If you press on it again, it will blink red. Blinking red means that it's in news mode. So the soundbar will enhance the voice of whatever is speaking on the TV. If you press the EQ again, it will blink blue. Blink blue, it simply means that EQ mode is not select. I mean, you didn't select in any EQ settings. It's like it's turned off. And finally, if you press again, you're gonna have a blinking white light. This is for music mode. If you're listening to music, usually it will enhance the music. It will sound better. So these were all the EQ settings if you press this button. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment as well.